Yep, old Calais, last cut to take on the Lancer. Just lashes out of there. The Calais last cut, I think it is. Slow out of the box. 0.9 to 1.653 for Tube. And they're away, a 0.545 Joe White in lane 2, 0.784 for the Calais of Lars Cupcut in lane 1. And Lars takes the lead at the 3:30 mark and manages to stay there. Comes off the winner in lane 1, Lars Cupcut. With the Calais. Waiting for the button to push. They're staged and ready to go. The WRX is for sale, nicely presenting car. It's the way well. 0.534, the WRX will look at. And what? Look at the last handful of electric tracks. Alright, we're right down to the pointy end of the night. Darren Peacock, the VY Commodore, will take on the Holden Calais of the Lars Captain. Andy Byrne out there, Darren Peacock lane 1, Lars Captain in lane 2.
What's the last name?
Copco, Copper.
Set and ready to ride.
Cockpit.
Go green, go hard, 0.664, got 3 up hard. Going on there, something's not right. With a half-cut car, loses a lot of ground and loses the place at the 660 feet mark. Darren Peacock.